What is cracking, people? Let's walk through what I'm kind of expecting for today. So yesterday was really good price action. There was actually a borderline couple of entries on GU, the sell. There was a couple in here. I've walked through that and sent that into the premium group. There was 2 possible entries in here. I was a little bit hands off with it because I had a bullish narrative, but both were valid. So not a missed trade, but something I'll definitely learn from. Coming into today, I don't look at anything on EU. I don't think anything in this range is now valid. For me, I am staying away. All the liquidity is up to the top. I mean, the only way you have an entry is there's like 2 options. You take this low and then try and buy, which I don't like because it's against the current momentum of where things are happening. Yes, you've got this valid supply to demand, which was a high previously. So you've got this as a valid point. The chances of this giving a reaction are so slim, but you can look to retracement buy off of this. But this is very, very filled. If we were to get in a buy here, we would kind of be targeting, this high, which makes sense, which is where the top of liquidity is. Apart from that, I don't even see sells as an option here. So it's literally just from here, and that's it. GBPUSD, news has come out. We've now taken what I have as my decisional, so that is now gone. Yeah, I don't have anything for GU now. GU's done for me. I'd like to buy it, but the chance of getting an entry is really, really slim. What I'd be looking for is price to kind of slowly weigh its way up, smart money trap, and then some type of inducement entry through that. But with that news, I think it now makes it impossible. AUDUSD, it decided to react from that decisional. I don't think there's anything we can do with this yet until it takes this low. So once it takes this low, we're just trading from a decisional, which I'm quite happy to do, and quite happy to buy through, given that we have created somewhat of a structure cycle through here with an extreme and some type of decisional with retest. It'll mitigate this bigger area down here. If we can actually come into a bit of a cheekier point, maybe the hourly point, I'll actually like that a lot more. So if we can get a mitigation of this hour point, which is the origin and the decisional of this daily break, I'll be really happy to actually trade off of this. So we'll get a medium inducement into that mitigation, and we'll have lots of liquidity to target. So I really do like that. Imagine there's a higher time frame point as well, like this entire area is a 4-hour point. But for me, I would like to see it really come into that point. More or less, once we break this low, we have kind of confirmed the opportunity to sell AU for a little bit. But we won't know until that happens. So I don't mind that option. But we'll obviously wait and have a look. DXY is pushing up in a very, very slow way. I think we need to induce something. What that is, I'm not sure yet. Maybe we get a bit of a dip off today and something like that. The 4-hour one probably won't play out now because we're moving away from this inducement area here. So coming for this high seems very, very likely, especially it being a wick. I imagine there's a lot of sellers in the market off of that. So focus on buyers on those, which means sells on the other pairs, which means we may continue bearish rather than coming and taking this 4-hour point. We may just rally on downwards. But I do like buyers given the slowness of which we're moving at the moment. GU is not going to obviously give an entry, and this may be the prime entry for the week. So we'll see what happens. I'm not saying a lot. EU, quite happy to buy off that point. AU, quite happy to buy off that point. GU, do not see a thing. It's way too aggressive. I think we're coming for here, and even that's against our 4-hour structure cycle. If we look here, this point shouldn't hold. It should induce this point given where we're coming from, which means we're coming down here. So all hands on sells currently. I don't really see another option. So I will be live with the premium group tonight. So for you guys in there, I will see you there tonight. Any questions, drop them below. I'll send through if I see anything on the free Telegram and the free Discord. A lot of you guys are joining that free Discord now, so you'll start to see some case studies and things pop in. And apart from that, let's have a good Tuesday and stay locked in.